Insert a Type 1 buckle 72B onto one end of a lower harness strap 72A. Then insert a lower mount 72C onto the other end of the strap. Carefully study the image to thread the strap correctly through both the buckle and the mount. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 lower harness straps 72A. Slide the Type 1 buckle 72B toward the center of strap 72A about 1.2 and 3 cm from the end. Apply one strip of adhesive tape 72K, see the detail images, to the other end of the strap, around 0.4 and 1 cm from the end. Then fold the end of the strap back onto itself to secure the lower mount 72C. Repeat this operation for the 3 other lower harness straps 72A. Fit one latch 72D onto the free end of one lower harness strap 72A. Apply one strip of adhesive tape 72K to the free end of strap 72A around 0.4 and 1 cm from the end. Then fold the end of the strap back onto itself to secure the harness latch 72D. All folds must be made on the same side of the strap. Add another strap 72A to the assembly from step 4, securing its end to the harness latch 72D using one strip of adhesive tape 72K. Repeat this operation with the 2 other lower straps to obtain 2 identical, complete lower harness assemblies. Fit a Type 1 buckle 72B onto the highlighted end of one upper harness strap 72J, positioning it 1.8 and 4.5 cm from the end of the strap. Then fit a Type 2 buckle 72E, positioning it 1.2 and 3 cm from the end of the strap. Repeat the process until you have 4 upper straps with both buckles fitted. Fit another Type 1 buckle 72B onto the other end of the upper harness strap 72J, positioning it 1.6 and 4 cm from the end. Repeat until all 4 upper straps include their corresponding buckles. Place 2 upper straps 72J over one of the lower strap assemblies 72A. Repeat the same operation with the other set of upper and lower straps. Carefully check the orientation of the buckles and straps in the image. Turn the strap assembly over. Leave approximately 0.6 and 1.5 cm free at one end and apply 2 strips of adhesive tape 72K in the highlighted area on the upper straps 72J. Fold the ends of the upper straps back onto themselves to secure the lower straps 72A. Repeat the same process for the other assembly. Position one harness assembly on the highlighted area of the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A. Secure the 2 lower harness mounts 72C using 2 EP screws. Bring the passenger seat close to the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A, feeding the 2 upper harness straps 72J through the opening at the front of the seat backrest. Place the seat in position, routing the lower harness straps assembly over the seat. Secure the 2 lower harness mounts 72C to the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A for the driver's seat using 2 EP screws. Bring the driver's seat to the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A and feed the 2 upper harness straps 72J through the opening in the front of the backrest. Position the seat, routing the lower harness straps assembly over the seat. Turn the assembly over and secure both seats to the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A using 12 JP screws. The side screws on each seat must allow slight forward and backward seat movement. Next, prepare the two seat belt assemblies. Check the orientation of the parts in the image and fit an anchor 72G onto each seat belt 72F, sliding it toward the center of the belt. Then fit the left upper mount 72H marked L onto one belt, and the right upper mount 72I onto the other belt. Use two strips of adhesive tape 72K to fold the end of each belt back onto itself, securing the upper mounts at the ends of the belts. Insert the head of the left seat belt 72F into the opening on the left side of the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A. Apply one strip of adhesive tape 72K 1.2 in 3 cm from the left upper mount 72H and secure the seat belt anchor 72G onto the tape. Insert the head of the right seat belt 72F into the opening in the right side of the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A. Finally, apply one strip of adhesive tape 72K 1.2 in 3 cm from the right upper mount 72I and secure the seat belt anchor 72G onto the tape. Insert the two pins on the VHS console 73B into the two highlighted holes in the trunk floor 73A. The console features one slightly larger pin to ensure the correct orientation. Insert the two pins on the CD player console 73C into the highlighted holes in the trunk floor 73A. As in the previous step, one pin is larger than the other to ensure the correct orientation. Retrieve the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A and place it, together with the trunk floor 73A, upside down. Then align the three arms on the trunk floor 73A with the three pins on the passenger compartment floor 61A as shown in the image. Finally, the trunk floor to the passenger's compartment floor using 3 IP screws. Place the two small amplifier connection plates 74E onto the two small amplifiers 74A as shown in the image. Secure each assembly with one AP screw. Retrieve the trunk light wires 44E. You will find 3 in total. Select those labeled 1 and 3. Place them onto the small amplifier bases 74B. Secure each one using a 1.2 in 3 cm strip of adhesive tape 22D. Check the orientation of the parts in the image and align the two bases 74B with the two small amplifiers 74A. Fit the two pivots on the small amplifier 74A with wire 144E into the left side of the trunk floor lining 74G. Position the small amplifier 74A with wire 344E on the right side of the trunk floor lining 74G. Attach the large amplifier connection plate 74F to the large amplifier 74C and secure the assembly with one AP screw. Place the trunk light wire 244E onto the large amplifier base 74D and secure it with a 1.2 in 3 cm strip of adhesive tape 22D. Position the large amplifier 74C onto the trunk floor lining 74G. Bring the trunk floor lining 74G closer to the trunk floor 73A. Insert the ends of the wires 1, 2, and 3, 44E through the left, center, and right openings respectively. Turn the assembly over. Secure the trunk floor lining 74G to the trunk floor 73A using 4 AP screws. Finally, use 3 pieces of adhesive tape 22D approximately 1.2 and 3 cm each, to secure the wires of trunk lights 1, 2, and 3, 44E.